first. Tell me, tell me.
I knew you'd like it. Come on, let me give you the grand tour.
No time for that. I'm flying. Where does this ladder go?
Up.
Me first.
Okay.
This whoa is whoa.
No one here has ever wanted to do all this stuff with me. You are the perfect adventure buddy.
Less talk, more action.
Huh? Yeah, like I'm gonna avoid the shortcut just because it's forbidden. Honey sounds good. And no dragon bees sounds even better. Stomach, should we eat the honey? I'll take that as a yes. It's moments like these I think, what would Tenderheart say? Grumpy, I have a feeling the dragon bees wouldn't like that. To which I think back, I have a feeling that I don't care. Because when I get home, I'm gonna have the feeling of sweet, sweet honey in my belly.
I totally forgot I built him a castle. Oh, Floppy Bunny, I'm so glad I found you. I don't know what I'd do if I ever lost my bestest best friend. Here, take him. Floppy Bunny can be both our best friend. Joy, perfect. You're just who I was looking for. I don't want to be your friend. I don't want to be your friend either. You don't want to be my friend? No, but I do need your help. Come on. See these guys? They're flying away today, but they need help. Help? Yeah, watch. Now that little bluebird can fly down to the world below. Cool! I've never seen these before. Sparkle sparrows only live in Caroline. And this year, the bluebirds and the sparkle sparrows hatched at the same time. And you've got to get them all flying today? Yep. Well then, let's do this. Little guys. Honey and Sugar. They've been best friends since they popped out of their eggs. But once you fly away, you'll never see each other again. But they have their memories being together, and they're excited to make new friends.
Wednesday yoga. The one morning all bears follow one simple rule, giving me peace and quiet.
Good morning, and welcome to my first weekly Waffle Wednesday!
I have a feeling some bear forgot.
Complete with syrup, berries, butter, powdered sugar, and...
Bananas! I love bananas on my waffles!
I have a feeling every bear forgot.
It's good manners to bring a gift for the hostess.
Yum!
Give me a one, give me a full, give me a...
Give me some peace and quiet.
Oops, it's Yoga Wednesday, isn't it? Sorry, Uncle Tenderheart.
Slept like a cub and now I'm hungry as a bear. Thanks, Bedtime.
No problem. I'll be asleep just as soon as I finish dinner.
You mean breakfast?
You say tomato, I say tomato. You say breakfast, I say dinner.
Wait, is Tenderheart coming?
I think he's doing yoga or meditating or something.
Well, at least I was trying to. Did all of you forget my rule about peace and quiet in the Forest of Feelings on Yoga Wednesday?
Forgot.
Guess I shouldn't have planned Waffle Wednesday on Wednesday?
I think all of you could use a few lessons in how to follow the rules.
Me? But I love rules.
We know!
Yes, you're fine, Harmony, but the rest of you could learn a thing or two from our very polite, rule-following visitor.
Hello. It's very nice to meet all of you.
My Star Buddies guide. Here's proof the Feather Frenzy's real. Come on, Floppy Bunny. I gotta show them this before it's too late. Bears, bears. I brought my Star Buddies guide. Come see. This is bad. Louie's way too hyper. Riley says it's a sign of help.
Huey sure is a lucky ducky to have Riley here.
No! Riley's got him all riled up.
Ha! Gold star for the clever, little wonder.
How do you even get like this?
Let's see. First, we had a dance fest.
And then we had an eating fest. Here you go, big boy.
Then we had a Sacky Sand Fest.
No! All that's put him into a Feather Frenzy Fest! Excuse me, who is the expert here? I was a guest speaker at the International Ducks, Drakes, and Mallards Convention.
Well, gotta admit, Wonderheart, that's very impressive.
Guess what? Now Uwe says he wants to take me duckback riding. No! That's gonna really freak him out! What do you think, Bears? Should I? I am an accomplished duckback rider.
Honestly,
Do it!
You can't! It's bad for him! Here I go! Hey! Whoa! It's the Feather Frenzy! Then, yes! Now the Star Buddy Adventure Guide says we need to pitch our tent. Okay, every bear, all together. 1, 2, 3.
Almost done. Calluses and sweat. This camping is for the birds. Do you all know how to pitch a tent? Well, I take it that wasn't a yes.
No. Come on, every bear.
Everything okay, Wonderheart?
Wonderheart?
You okay?
I am now. I just can't decide if that was fun or scary.
I have that problem all the time.
I don't think we're sleeping in that thing.
Are you kidding? Leave this to the experts.
I got you, Grumpy.
No way, Wonder!
Hold up.
Ow!
Sorry. Well, how about we pause on the tent building and get to the fire building?
I can get that wood all fired up.
Hey, my grump sensors are telling me something's wrong, kid.
I hate waiting for my belly badge to work. I want to know what it does.
Well, totally valid grump. But every bear has to wait for their badge to start working to learn what it does.
Well, when you were a cub, you knew you'd make rain clouds one day, right?
Yeah, I had my suspicions.
Funshine knew he'd make sun, and Cheer knew she'd make rainbows. But I have this crummy old heart. It could mean anything.
Well, part of the fun of life is there's always more to discover about yourself. Maybe Tenderheart can help. Bet he had no clue what his did when he was a cub either.
Uncle Tenderheart, I need your help. It's urgent.
Urgent? What is it?
Yeah, the kid's bummed that her belly badge hasn't powered up yet. Sang a whole song about it. Even a fantasy sequence and everything.
I've been waiting forever to do it. Is there anything you can do to help me?
Well, most bears' belly badge powers come naturally. But it is true that some bears only get theirs with a bit of training.
Really? Like who?
Well, that's between them and their belly badge trainer.
Uncle Tenderheart, can you train me? Please, please, please.
Okay, Wonderheart.
Come on. You never let me... You will?
I think you're old enough now. We can start today, if you like.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now, I warn you, we may not discover your full powers for a bit. First, we have to get your beacon to light up.
My belly badge beacon. That would be the most wonderful of wonderful.
But...
Come on, Kaylee.
Nah, that's okay. Kaylee, come join us.
Let's not make her, guys. Lots of people have a fear of heights. Or a milk allergy.
Hey!
Whoa! Yes!
Madison.
Wow! If it isn't Kooky Kaylee with her crazy ukulele.
Oh, I wonder if Grumpy's
Oh, Jokey Jam! Someone replaced my regular juniper berry jam with Jokey Jam. Oh, and when I find out who did it, it wore off.
Well, can I have my interview now then?
You already got me on video at my worst.
But that was cute.
I don't do cute. And I don't do interviews.
Well then, I guess I'll just have to use the giggling video instead.
Some bear help me.